Hey guys, I'm Freddie. Welcome to Heybike Station. Today we're going to be taking a look at replacing the derailleur and the steps that you'll need to take in order to replace your derailleur on your Heybike e-bike. So, to replace your derailleur, you're going to need a special tool for removing the chain, which I've got right here, and you're going to need an M5 Allen wrench. Before you get started, make sure you take a picture of your chain so you know exactly how it's snaked through your rear derailleur so that you can put it back the right way when you've replaced your derailleur successfully. Take a picture from this side. You can also take one on the other side. This will again give you that reference you need so you can put the chain back properly. You're going to take your special tool here and remove one of the links from the chain. When you're pulling out the pin, make sure you don't fully pull out the pin because it would be very, very difficult to put it back in. Using my special tool here, I grab a random link. Let's do it this side. Give it a little push, and the rod comes out just like that. Just pull it up just like this, and the chain comes away. Next thing we want to do is take our M5 Allen wrench and loosen the screw here. You might need to remove the brace here so that you can take it out more easily. I'm just going to give it a little bit more elbow grease and remove it from your frame. What you'll do then is unscrew the nut here, keeping the cable in place. Use a clamp to take off the end here, and the cable will come out of the derailleur with ease. We're not going to do that in this video though, just want to show you. So, after you've reattached your screw, after you've reattached your wire, replaced your rear derailleur, whatever you may be doing with the components back here, make sure you screw the wire back into place, ensuring that there's enough tension in between the wire at this point here. Let's place that rear derailleur in your slot here. As you're screwing it back into place, you want to make sure the rear derailleur is fitting behind this little notch here and is not on top of it or in front of it. You don't want it here. You want it right behind this little notch, and then tighten it into place. You'll want to snake your chain through your rear derailleur. Make sure you lift up the rear derailleur like this so you can snake it through. Starting from this part here, getting it through the bracket here, as well with the lower chain or the lower wheel down here. So, should snake through like that, an S pattern, and come around the chain like so. Push it together like this. It snaps right into place. Using your special tool, just clamp it in. Hear that clicking sound? Then replace your chain. That's how you replace your rear derailleur for your Heybike Mars. After you've installed your new derailleur and you're going through the process of checking your gears, if you can shift between the lower gears with ease but can't seem to shift to the higher gears, that indicates that you're going to need to tighten your cable down here. What you can do is you grab some needle nose pliers and that number 5 wrench, loosen the screw here, pull the wire tight and then tighten the screw again. So I've loosened the screw a little bit more, okay. I pull the cable tight. Let's loosen a little bit more just to make sure. Pull the cable tight, then I tighten the screw again. And this will give that cable a little bit more tension so that you can get to these higher gears here. Still needs a little bit more tightening. If you are shifting between your gears and you notice there is some jumping going on between gears, or the gear shifting isn't fluid, then that means you need to make micro adjustments to your rear derailleur. To do that, you adjust this knob here by turning it slightly either left or right. As you're making your micro adjustments, you don't need to turn it too much, just slight adjustments. And what you want to do actually is look at your wheels here, look at your cogs, and make sure that they are in alignment, that they're aligned with the cogs on the derailleur along with the cogs in your casket. So I make a slight adjustment and then start again.